Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel where we provide you with helpful tips and tricks to make your life easier. Today's video is all about keeping flowers fresh longer. We all love receiving a beautiful bouquet of flowers, but the sad truth is that they don't last very long. So, in this video, we'll share some tried and tested methods to help you extend the life of your flowers. Let's start with the first tip, which is to keep your flowers hydrated. This means making sure that the vase is filled with clean water and changing it every other day. Also, add a teaspoon of sugar and a few drops of bleach to the water to keep bacteria at bay. Another great trick is to add a few drops of vodka or apple cider vinegar to the water to help preserve the flowers. The second tip is to trim the stems regularly. Cutting the stems at an angle with a sharp pair of scissors or a knife helps the flowers absorb water more easily. Also, remove any leaves that will be submerged in the water, as they can promote bacterial growth, which will reduce the lifespan of your flowers. The third tip is to keep your flowers away from direct sunlight and heat sources. Sunlight and heat can cause the flowers to wilt and dry out quickly. Instead, place them in a cool, shaded area, preferably in a well-ventilated room. The fourth tip is to use a floral preservative. You can buy floral preservatives at any flower shop, and they help to keep the flowers fresh longer. Follow the instructions on the package, and you're good to go. Another natural way to keep your flowers fresh longer is by using lemon juice or bleach. Lemon juice helps to maintain the pH level of the water, which prevents bacterial growth. To use lemon juice as a natural preservative, mix 2 tablespoons of lemon juice with 1 tablespoon of sugar, and add it to the water in the vase. Then, add your flowers and change the water every other day. Bleach is another effective natural preservative that helps to kill bacteria and fungi in the water. To use bleach as a natural preservative, add teaspoon of bleach to 1 quart of water in the vase. Make sure not to use too much bleach, as it can damage the flowers. Change the water and bleach mixture every other day. So, there you have it, folks, some simple yet effective tips to help you keep your flowers fresh longer. Remember to keep your flowers hydrated, trim the stems, keep them away from direct sunlight and heat, use a floral preservative, and consider using lemon juice or bleach as natural preservatives. With these tips, you'll be able to enjoy your beautiful bouquet for a much longer time. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.